with someone who has a beautiful smile. Shake hands with someone who talks a lot. Shake hand with someone you really appreciate. Okay.
Shake hand with someone who reminds you to trust God in every season. In every season.
Shake hands with someone who never forgets to encourage others.
Shake hands with someone you want to be close with. Wow. Shake hands with someone wearing your favorite color. Favorite color. Shake hands with someone who loves taking selfies. Sino mag-selfies? Galang ah. Wala. Sino ba mahilig mag-selfie dito? Ay, ito. Hello? Mahilig mag-selfie. Shake hands with someone who needs to drink coffee before service. Okay, ano to? Ala. Ay, ang salamin pa, hindi pa ito para sa akin. Shake hands with someone who made you feel welcome. Lagi na welcome sa'yo dito sa church. Aba, dami ang aking mga ka-senior. Shake hands with someone. Hanap balik. Ano ang gagawin natin dito? Basahin. Uy, wala pirahan dito ha? Ano ito? Shake hand with someone you're so proud of you. Yung pa.
Shake hands with someone who took notes during sermon.
Sana yun? Wala mo naman shake hands.